Hi guys, this is John Callam from AAP Motorsport. Today I'm driving an interesting car for today. I've been given the opportunity to drive this car for a short while. It's probably a 2017-2018 Mazda 2 hatchback manual transmission. This is the race car of the Automobile Association Philippines. It's basically a stock Mazda 2 with safety equipment. As you can see, there's a cage right here, and I'm barely wearing a Sabelt harness here. It's not properly mounted as of this time, but I have no choice because I only have a limited time to use this car, so I can't complain. But I'm not really happy with the seatbelt arrangements. It has a Sparco Sprint seat, non-reclinable. It's kind of narrow for my wide bum, so but I kind of fit. I sort of fit. I really realized that I gotta lose weight. What about the Mazda 2 that I like? It's an easy to drive car. It shifts very nicely. It's very light on its feet. I've driven a stock Mazda 2 before, and I would say the ride is a bit quiet. But since there's some sound deadening removed from this car, you can hear a bunch of road noise. And since this car has seen track time, track duty in various endurance runs and in various gymkhana events, it's a bit rough. I kind of feel that it has some, in how we say it, we will say it's kalampag or suspension noise in the front while braking, so it's probably I don't know, ball joints or stab links, I don't know. Driving this now in Ortigas, we're taking it for a short drive. I like the car. I really like the Mazda 2. It's a Miata would be twice as good as this, but for a normal daily roundabout, this is a really fantastic driving car. Even we're driving it slow, we're driving it on traffic. I mean, the shifter has very short throws. Clutch is light. It's really an enjoyable experience so far. It has air conditioning, so that's always an upgrade over most of my cars right now with non-functional aircon systems. Driving it on this situation, I wish it had 3-point seat belts still installed, because these 4 points are very difficult to clasp in and out. Even though now it's not really clasped, it's basically for show right now. But even if it was completely correctly installed, I would not recommend race harnesses for daily driving. They suck. So I wish this still had the 3-point seat belt installed. The seats are a bit tight, but I think I just need to lose weight. The roll cage needs padding here near my head, because if I make a mistake, I will hit my head and break it open like a watermelon. As far as power, this car's really stock. I mean, it goes. It's not that fast, but I'm sure the more important thing about this car is that it kind of handles very well. It's not a car that will have a ton of ultimate road holding grip, but the balance of it, how it handles, I've driven it a little bit in anger before, not this particular car but other Mazda 2s in the national gymkhana finals in the Philippines. And yeah, they're really easy cars to explore the limits of front wheel drive driving on a gymkhana setting. So it's really a stock car with a cage and seats. Basically make a stock car and made it worse. This is basically what it is. But this would be a nice commuter car without the cage. And it has proved to be very durable, surprisingly, because this this exact car has gone through probably 2 or maybe 3 endurance races with young drivers who are not very experienced, and it has survived. And we're driving it now, and right now its kilometer reading is about 7,700 kilometers. So in those 7,000 kilometers, this car has really lived a very hard life. But even so, it's pretty good. It still smells like a brand new car. Still drives nicely, except for a little bit of suspension noise that I've noticed. An interesting car. This engine has no torque. It's kind of difficult to climb up that minor. Not that was actually a pretty steep incline. I had difficulty there. Where I'm supposed to go for today with this car, and I guess this is the end of this video as I obscure my face with the steering wheel. My name is John Calam from AAP Motorsport. I thank the AAP for allowing me to use this car for the day, or at least the morning. Anyway guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I really appreciate it if you would take the time to subscribe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a nice day, and please still keep safe. See you guys. Bye-bye.